Well, hello again. Welcome back, YouTube, on part two of our 1984 Porsche 928S first startup. I didn't get a whole lot of this startup, disappointingly. I'm making this comment after I got it running, but you'll see in the video I got it started pretty easily on starting fluid. That was actually about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I couldn't take it any longer, so I got up with a crack of nuts and went and got fuel and got it started on starting fluid, went and got fuel, came back, and then played around with it for a little while longer, cleaned some things up. The fuel pump wasn't working properly after I stuck the fuse back in it, and turns out I had a bad fuse. But got that in, and you'll see in the video, this is after, part of it's after I washed it. You'll see at the end. I hadn't buffed it yet, but it cleaned up very well and started right up. It's missing a little bit, as you'll hear in the videos, but I'm hoping as I drive it here, it gets going and everything is good. So this will be a short video, but hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll keep on going with these. I think she might start on starting fluid. We got fuel oil pressure. Let's squirt it with a little bit of starter fluid and see what she does here. She's going to start on starting fluid, so I think we will check the fuel pump, make sure everything's all right, and see what happens. Well, we got her started. We got good oil pressure. I'm going to check the battery. It's over 12, but check it. It's brand new battery, so I may not be needing more charge than that, but I don't think the fuel gauge is working because I drained all the gas and I just put 5 gallons in it. Obviously no coolant temperature yet, but seems to be running alright. The only thing so far that's not working is the radio. It's actually working, but it's barely any sound coming out, so it's probably the amplifier. So, got her running. So in the next video, we will get it off and running, and I'll get a little in-car drive, and hopefully she's running all right. Look forward to sharing it with you, and hopefully all the gears work, and get her out and take her for a drive a little bit and show you what it's like. It's going to be exciting. In case you can't tell, I am very, very excited to get this car. I've always liked the 928s. As a little kid, like everybody always says in these videos, they've always loved them, and they were quite an iconic car. And I'm going to do a video, is the Porsche 928 a supercar in 1984, or is it today? So that'll be another interesting video later, but I hope you're as excited to see this go as I am. I'm very happy with it and excited to get it running. Thank you, and please subscribe, hit the like button, thumbs up button below the video, and read the descriptions. I've got some links to some of my other videos below as well. So a little Corvette and Lamborghini content, and hope you like it. Thank you, and stay tuned for part 3.